In this video, I want to show you how to clear Google search and browser history on Android. So the first step is to go to the browser on your phone. In this case, I have Google Chrome open, and then you want to search for activity.google.com. So I've typed that into the search bar. I tap on search and it'll bring you to this page, and you can see it says search your activity, and on the right of that it has 3 vertical dots. Tap on the 3 vertical dots, then tap on delete activity by, and then you can see you can have the option to delete activity by the last hour, the last day, always, and a custom range. So it's all up to you as to how far back you want to delete your activity, but that is how you do it. So if you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.